now, guys. I am out my house. Every time I'm out my house, I want to start off the vlog by saying I am out my house, because guess what, guys? I'm out my house. Anyways, welcome back to the channel. I'm about to head on the road because I need to get a trim. My hair, like the ends of my hair is just not doing it right now. They're really frizzy. So I know that I'm definitely in need of a trim. So that's what I'm actually about to go do. I'm about to go back to one of my older hairdressers. Guys, where I'm heading right now. About to go trim my hair. And then in the meantime, I'm probably gonna go a little shorter, to be honest, because I just like the short cut better than like long hair right now. Like that's how I'm feeling. My appointment's at 12:30. I legit have like 25 minutes to get there. Yes, guys. So, y'all, I'm like getting ready to head out, whatever. My dad's like, okay, we gotta like stock up on stuff because this whole coronavirus, okay? This whole coronavirus thing is legit sending people into like panic mode, hibernation mode, and like overall just sending everyone into a panic mode. And it's actually crazy because toilet paper is sold out everywhere. I mean, people are legit clearing off the shelves and like leaving no toilet paper for other people. Like, what about the other batis out there? Like, guys, come on. Like, there's other batis out there that need to get wiped, okay? No, but like, all honestly, like, toilet paper is sold out. Soap, okay, I'm boosting with the soap. I saw it on Facebook. Someone said how soap is sold out. I'm like, how is soap sold out? Like, it just makes no sense. Like, what were you guys using before today? Like, it makes no sense. Like, someone needs to make it make sense for me because it makes no sense. By the way, pardon my hair. I knew I was gonna go cut my hair, so I'm like, there's no point in me combing my hair. Anyways, yeah, like this is just insane. It's insane. Like, I'm there and I'm asking my dad, I'm like, what should I get? Like, I don't know what to stock up on. For all we know, this is just a scare tactic they're using so that we can go and shop and spend money at these places and their business will grow. Like, I don't know, this whole coronavirus thing is just crazy. I feel like it's a little over like hyped, not really hyped, but like over exaggerated. Just like wash your hands, cough in your, like, you know, cough in your whatever you call it, that crease part of your arm, you know, just use safety and precautions and stuff like that. Use hand sanitizer. Don't, like, oh my god, this whole thing is just really crazy and it's really annoying. Not only that, let me tell you guys how these flights are super tempting. Like, it's so tempting, okay? I can't tell you the last time I saw flights to Jamaica for $4.28. That's literally almost under $4 bills. I can't tell you the last time I've seen that price. It's been years since I've seen that price for tickets to Jamaica. Like, it's so tempting, and I'm like looking at other little places and I'm like, bruh, like, this is the best time to be booking tickets and flights right now. I'm at the point where I'm like, yo, I'd rather be booking flights, living my best life, having fun, traveling. And you know, if the corona it may just hit me. Okay, I'm joking, but like, you know what I mean? Why am I gonna live in constant fear? I don't know, this whole coronavirus thing is just weird. We've had swine flu, we've had Ebola, we've had Zika, we've had H1N1. Like, there's so much different stuff, and I feel like people were getting sick and dying then. Shit was spreading then. Yo, it's crazy. But anyways, I'm about to go listen to some music, and once I reach through to the hairdresser, I'll see if I can film me cutting my hair. If not, I'll just do my thing, come back in the car and vlog. So y'all, I just dropped Keish to school. She had a class. Fresh cut. You guys will probably like see it when it's fully dried. I love a fresh cut. My hair feels so much lighter right now. I love it. Ran into the school and I had to get iced coffee because Country Style actually has the best iced coffee. I don't care what nobody says. This is the best one I've had. Literally, like, it's so addicting. But like, everything is just right about it. So if you guys ever want to try out something new, definitely try out Country Style's iced coffee. Akuda. Say ah. Akuda. Wa. No. Say omitan. Some lunch for Ziggy because he got work later. He's starting his new job. Yo, I'm so happy for him. What are you guys doing? You guys are just banging? Anyways, my hair is still in the drying process, but as you guys can see, like, look at this. You see how it just, the shape is coming in. There's no product in it actually, so it's gonna dry and look a little. Actually, I don't know. She left leave-in conditioner in it, so I don't know how it's gonna look actually. But it doesn't look too bad. I think it's put like my products in it, but as you guys can see, as I said, the shape is slowly. Hey Google, play Mother Goose Club on Netflix on Family Room TV. Guys, sometimes I wonder, I'm like, if I had 2 kids, I don't know what I would do. Look, Mother Goose Club. But anyways, we about to go on the road to get some stuff. Because, you know, everyone, well, we're not stocking up on stuff like going to go buy like 30,000 tissues and 30 cleaning products, you know, because we don't feel like we need all of that. We are leaving it in God's hands, and we're just gonna go get some little stuff for the house that we need, like regular stuff that we regular get. You see your head top? You didn't even wash your head. So that's what we're gonna go on the road and do. I think we're meeting up with the Williams family. Zig? Zab?
Where my money gone?
This guy, I can't.
I like, show them. Look here. Ziggy's in the money. I joke. Yeah. Look. What? I sense though.
It's okay. Every make a muckle. Ziggy's still practicing, so that's why he's going with the sense, yeah? I can't even vlog because these ones are making noise and Ziggy's cutting me off. Anyways, I'm gonna go finish cleaning up the kitchen because I hate when the kitchen is messy. That's what I'm about to go do, and then we're gonna Ziggy's gonna grab something to eat, munch on. And I'm gonna organize his lunch for later, and then we're going on the road.
I'm done. Oh, go on, I can't even see my face. Run. Alright, so right now, because of this whole thing, yeah. Oh, go on. Because of this whole thing, yeah. See that we are gonna try see if we can go and get some extra stuff. You know what I do? Me zip up myself a little bit, cause yeah. So we there we come go and get 2 liquor, some water, some tissue, cause just like how they say when you go to you must wipe 3 times. No. Do they go on, you know, no tissue there in that place, so you have to only wipe 1 time and you start use nappy and wipe and wash it. Why? So in a fresh cut. And more fresh cut. No friggers, no friggeriggers. No friggeriggers. Yeah. And do some things. If they know I'm vlogging here, they have to come and tell me, say, do not vlog inside of here. I will understand. It is their policy. I don't complain. You know? Yeah, so may I have to say,
guys, let me tell y'all something. You see, when it comes to these diaper jeans stuff, you cannot go cheap on these, okay? The other day I came here and I picked up one of these because I'm like, I have a gift card for Walmart, so I was gonna, you know, use it. You can't go cheap on it. You have to buy the
original
ones. Yeah, because the smell, bruh.
Why you don't want it?
The hell, this shit ain't normal no more. I think that's all we need. I have body wash, I have lotion. Over here we're good. Should we eat these snack things anymore?
So in how we kind of search with somebody. You know, we are going to squeeze up on them and start take out and send them out of the basket. And then we should go look. Oh, I can't go left.
Do you need deodorant, razor, anything?
Wait. No, deodorant, no. No.
You need deodorant?
Okay. Anyway, so link on the back.
Yeah.
You see me? I have something to tell you too. You know what here? Listen. Don't what? Oh. Do not drink. You know, hear me? Don't drink no whole heap of Pepsi during no pregnancy. They say it's a myth, but it's true. Less Pepsi, less crying. Cause my daughter, yeah, she cry a lot, fam. But anyway, right now I'm at the Canadian Tire. Go and get a hard hat for the work, look more. Yo, I'm just so excited inside, bro. Trust me, I'm over excited. Like me just literally can't wait to start work. You know, wait, it's like, you know, when you just wait for something and like you just finally come through, you just get happy, you know. Yeah, so I'm actually happy and I'm starting, so yeah, so we just have to get the hard hat. I already have a vest, I already have my steel toe boot and them thing there. You see me?
Hard hats? Yeah, they should be
so family, you see when I say I take on up on the journey of my life. You see it, I can't come and get my hard hat, see? Like I must say, you're not supposed to pull you out of your bag and try on it. But I just put it on my head this way and just try it on. Yo, so I'm going to do like me and walk out with the hat. And I'm going to set it on me. And then we will just go back after, you know? But just eat that still.
That's the first place I see.
Eh?
The first place I see with the sanitizer.
The first one?
This is the first place I see with the wipes to sanitize your cart.
See what you're saying?
What are you doing?
Come in. Where they go? Cash out what? Eh?
Put on your head, Lee.
Oh. You saying you can go like in serious with people?
Because I don't know what you're talking about. Don't put your hand in my face. Don't touch my face. Remember the people that said that the stupid thing can go through your face? What?
Oh, you could show nothing like
A bump?
Yeah.
I've always had that.
liquor.
Yeah. Shows how much you look in my face.
Let me look up in your face. So, when I see, now we come on next store again.
Canadian Tire. You know it's bad when you go Canadian Tire.
And not even one toilet paper. So, no see it say a real thing I go on. Yo, somebody time I have to just take some serious and not make joke, you know. When a big man levels.
But the thing is, do they know why there's no toilet paper? There's no toilet paper because there's about to be a shortage on toilet paper.
Why?
Because
no shipment.
China, yes.
Nobody not accept nothing from China.
I guess not.
But that's stupidness because, well, I'm a stupidness, but a stupidness. Because at the same time, I know China they cause the problem. I know China alone the problem. The problem they everywhere already, so. So that means say everywhere go start short of everything then.
Certain stuff from China.
Because that's why they went tell you a long time say eat what you grow or grow what you eat. I don't grow what you eat what you, something like that. I don't remember it go, but grow your own food then. So you don't have to go touch nothing. I'm sorry for you, Earl. Even though me and I too, but I'm sorry for everybody. I don't like what I go on. I don't talk too much about that. They still we are push more positive thing in our world. Yeah.
Where am I going?
You want to sleep? Me know you want to sleep.
Like
oh, okay. Vlogging, yo, you see vlogging, some people probably think say vlogging like it just blam and ready. No. So my, cause in a sense you go vlog and where the vlogs don't make sense. Or you don't see no reason, like it don't make sense. You know? You have to vlog with liquor vibes. Touch out your house and vlog liquor bit. Show no what going out the door liquor bit. You know what I mean? Yes sir. Me show on the liquor of that then. No yo, let me go on a part of this now. Boy, that's gonna make me look dark as you can't lighten it up though. Anyway. Yo.
What dogs in jackets?
All of them say, yo, actually not even know.
You ever see that stuff in Jamaica?
Canada not perfect. Let me tell you no. If not fear, probably I say, oh, a Canada not perfect. Cause like even what they made a go walk and then block off the road. Me no walk go on until me grow now and next part to try to come out back on the road. A shooting go on, be a gunshot. pay a gunshot. I don't know if a man went dead or what, but just for sure, no, eh? On the road.
I know there was a shooting.
Because you see, a little yellow something what they put on which part they find special or something. Yes.
No, that don't mean that's
a shooting go on because there is no way an accident happen and you go see one car, the car door them open and nobody in that car them and see. Three car did it. Three car. Well, me know a shooting go on, so I tell you say a shooting go on. But in a perfect, remember me tell you no. There are some places in Canada run worse than Jamaica. Shooting go on every day. The last time I say the man them they act sure. Or they act video, they make video with live rounds and man them a shoot out. So no, we're not perfect. You know, you think you probably see like a difference up here and thing. Dog in a clothes and they snap. Believe me. Other than that, only a difference. Nice place to live. Yes, now I drop asleep, see? She's such a princess. What? Honestly, that's the move a while ago, don't? And she's falling asleep. She's so cute, huh? Close your eyes. Good. Eyes. Yo, me tell you. I know probably I say Ziggy at this. You know, well, me humble. Me want humble you. Just believe me, but me like the trouble. You know, me just love have fun. Just like is there Anisha and me like bad Anisha making cuss. And then we get vexed and then me no business. Cause look how more you have to chat to me. If you not chat to me, I got a problem. Cause then me not go chat to you. And then it go around. So have you seen this? You know the question? We then not deal with them and then they ask us one little question just for friend up here. You know? But me no business. Well, I'm not supposed to know all of that already. You have certain school over here where wear their uniform. And you have some most of them on the wear, you know? You just come to school comfortable as you are. You can't wear no body rider though, you know?
Here?
Yeah.
You will see people in uniform and they're still.
I am joking. I know say true.
In Jamaica, you know, you're strict. When you're in uniform, it's strict. Over here, you'll see girls. They're walking, and as they walk, you see their body cheek.
Yo.
What's the point of uniform? We talk a lot of now.
That like high school, right?
Yes.
Yo, yo. One day I go down on the bus. When I take the bus, when I work with Freddy. When I go down in the morning, I see this. No, yes. When I go down. I see this girl now in uniform and I say, at school this a girl that they go? I like one youth side of me and like him and say, yeah, she's going to school. I'm like, in that? You want to see listen? You want to see liquor sin thing? If my daughter ever left out the house and them listen them man, I would find out all 3 minutes after. You see anyway school let me go park up at school gate as in me not even there wait. If you don't want to carry me, they drive down your car and take him out. Can come back and yard. Put on clothes. We vlogging, taking pictures. Yeah?
New hair, hoodies. Hair's still drying, guys. Hair's still drying, but I love it. I'm waiting for it to dry. Tell me the cut not cute, guys. Look how it just flows.
No, your hair look like your hair for...
Right? That's what I'm saying. Before it just looked blah.
So why for me your can't look like my regular hair? Come.
Yes.
Want to go get one trim too.
I told you to jerry curl your hair. Why don't you just jerry curl it?
Ew, I would look like... No, mud. Alright. So we're not using that, man.
Mm-hmm.
What when you say? Come, brother.
Hitch.
Come, brother.
Anyways, guys, we about to go wash this guy's head.
Who do that? Marcus.
So annoying.
Yo.
So y'all, this vlog is ending right here. Ziggy's getting ready for work. I'm about to go try to find something to eat because I'm hungry. And our mission today was to find toilet paper. And we didn't find any. Supposedly somewhere stocking up tomorrow at 7 a.m. So maybe I'll check it out. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog of us doing a whole lot of nothing. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you ain't subscribed. Hit that notification bell. You know what I'm saying. And you know what? I'm gonna give someone a shout out. We gonna give someone a shout out. Let me see who was the first person to comment on our last vlog. That's what we gonna do. That's what we gonna do. That's what we gonna do. So last vlog where Ziggy chop. So the first person to comment was Carriana Watson. Big up yourself. And Staciana Kurawano. Big up your guys' self. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next vlog.